Millions of individuals around the world are impacted by issues related to mental health, making it a critical public health concern. Studies reveal that 1 in 5 American adults experience some form of mental health crisis, which can affect their work, education, and relationships. To tackle this widespread issue, it is crucial to explore new and innovative approaches to prevent and manage mental health disorders. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a promising avenue of research in this field, offering potential solutions for preventing, treating, or managing mental illness. In today's video, we will be discussing these emerging trends in artificial intelligence and the promising potentials it holds in addressing concerns of mental health. Welcome to Ask AJC Health YouTube channel. On this channel, we are 100% concerned about your overall good health, well-being, and lifestyle. Feel free to visit our health and wellness blog and join our online community at Ask AJC Health website, www.askajchealth.com. And do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This will help with YouTube algorithms in showing you quality content such as this. Let's jump right in. Mental health is a pressing concern affecting millions of people worldwide. However, advancements in technology, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence, are transforming the way healthcare experts are addressing mental health care. AI is now being utilized to detect early warning signals, offer customized assistance, and even anticipate potential crises. Let's review in a little more details these positive impacts. Number 1. Early detection. One of the key contributions of AI in mental health care is early detection. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and markers that indicate potential mental health issues. For example, social media posts, online activities, and even speech patterns can provide valuable insights into an individual's mental well-being. AI algorithms can detect changes in behavior, such as increased social isolation, negative language, or expressions of distress. By flagging these indicators, mental health professionals can intervene early, providing support and resources to prevent a crisis from occurring. Number 2. Personalized support. The ability of artificial intelligence to process vast amounts of data also enables it to provide personalized support to individuals in need. Traditional mental health services often face limitations due to limited resources and the challenge of individualizing care for each person. However, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are changing the game. These AI companions can engage in natural language conversations, offering empathetic support and providing coping strategies based on a person's specific needs. They are available 24/7, eliminating the barriers of time and accessibility. Individuals can receive guidance and assistance whenever they require it, reducing feelings of isolation and improving overall well-being. Number 3. Crisis prediction. AI's predictive capabilities in mental health care are remarkable. By analyzing historical data from individuals who have experienced mental health crises, AI algorithms can identify patterns and risk factors associated with future crisis events. These algorithms take into account different factors such as demographics, previous medical records, and behavioral patterns. Through continuous monitoring and analysis of this data, AI systems can generate personalized risk assessments, enabling mental health professionals to intervene proactively before a crisis occurs. Number 4. Ethical considerations. While the benefits of AI in mental health care are undeniable, we must also address the ethical considerations surrounding its use. Privacy and data security are of utmost importance when dealing with personal mental health information. Safeguards must be put in place to protect individuals' privacy and ensure responsible use of AI technologies. Additionally, it is crucial to remember that AI should never replace human interaction and care. While AI can provide valuable support, it should always be seen as a complement to, rather than a substitute for, professional mental health services. Human empathy and understanding remain vital in the journey toward improved mental well-being. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly a game-changer in the field of mental health care. From early detection to personalized support and crisis prediction, AI is empowering individuals and professionals alike. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, let us ensure that we strike a balance between technological advancements and human compassion. Together, we can leverage AI to prevent mental health crises and create a brighter future for everyone. Feel free to share your comments and feedback in the comments section below. Also follow the link in the video description for additional information and resources. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. That way we will continue to bring you great contents and more health tips. See you on the next video.